Hello everyone, I am Priyapathare. In this video, I will be showing you a simple mandala pattern. For that, you will need white and black acrylic paint and your dotting tools. I have taken a paint brush. I will be using its back side end for the dots. According to your stone, choose your tool sizes by first trying them on paper. The second tool I use for smallest dots is this dotting tool. And this dotting tool for slightly bigger dots. And lastly a cotton bud for a larger ones. So you will be needing 4 different tools for 4 different size dots. Before using the cotton bud for dots, cover it with white acrylic and let it dry. This will help in making defined dots. Now base coat your stone with black paint. I am adding some water in my acrylic paint for getting a proper consistency. We will make the center dot with cotton bud. I made the dot but spreading it to make it slightly larger. Now take the smallest dotting tool and make dots around the center dot and another line of dots after that. It's okay if you make mistake, you can always cover up with the black paint. Now we will make larger dots with the cotton bud. See here, I am accidentally mixed up the dots, so I am fixing it with black paint. And you can also help your dots appear more defined with black paint. After that, touch up the white dots again. But before correcting with black paint, make sure the white dots are completely dry. After the larger dots, make 2 lines for smaller dots again. Now make a line of dots with your medium size dotting tool. Please enjoy this video, and if you have any queries, ask them in the comments below.